Next tonight, the damning report revealing the decline of the Great British Toilet.
The Royal Society for Public Health says council cuts have seen hundreds of public loos close over the last decade. According to its survey, 3/4 of us say there aren't enough where we live.
The Society has also called for what it's dubbed potty parity to ensure there's fair provision across the country and for women.
Well, Ravina Gator has been looking at the situation in Cambridgeshire and she joins us now from beautiful Ely.
Well, yes, it's a lovely day here in Ely today, and with the sun shining, lots of people have been out and about enjoying it. But with the temperatures rising, having a bottle of water is essential to keeping hydrated and drinking lots. But what happens when you need to make a quick toilet break, but you're faced with signs like this one? Well, this public loo here in the grounds of Ely Cathedral, this one was closed by the council recently, but was then taken over by the cathedral itself, and now only remains open during summer events or special occasions. And although this one is closed, there is still 4 public toilets in and around Ely. People say that is enough, but with more closures that could lead to problems. Well, across East Cambridgeshire we are seeing more and more closures of public toilets, but they are closing, and this one including in Burnwell. Well, this one was closed by the council too, but was replaced by a portaloo instead. Well, now the Royal Society for Public Health, they say 700 public loos have closed across the country, and with more closures that could lead to serious health problems.
It's clear that these are not a luxury, it's part of our civic infrastructure, and we know that it's from our research that actually a lot of people are not going out because there isn't a toilet in their neighbourhood. And so this is a public health issue. It's also leading to dehydration, where people deliberately don't have water when they go out, and that's really not a good public health message.
Well, just like pavements and street lights, the Society says public toilets should be made compulsory in communities like this one. Well, public toilets are closing across the region, and the politics of public loos have got everyone talking here in Cambridge today.
I do find sometimes they can be quite unhygienic. I've come from Cambridge, and generally their toilets are pretty good. But I would say, I guess because if you go nowadays, restaurants, bars, etc., everywhere has public facilities, you don't tend to use them so much.
There's not really enough space for changing children. You end up kind of doing it in the buggy or in the back of the car anyway.
This one used to be used by all the taxi drivers in Ely, but I think they have to go to the pubs and stuff like that now. But I think they should bring them back.
If you've got a good public toilet, a clean public toilet, then you're more likely then to come out and stay out longer.
Well, the Society is now calling on the government for extra funding to keep public toilets open. If not, we could see more signs like this across our region in the near future.
Rav, thank you very much. Well, thanks for joining Russell and me this evening.
Still to come.